Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kingdom Rush Elemental Uprising. To begin, your main goal is to prevent enemies from reaching your kingdom by building and upgrading defensive towers. You'll earn gold by defeating foes, which you then use to construct new towers or enhance existing ones. Don't forget to deploy your powerful heroes, as they offer unique abilities and can significantly bolster your defenses against the incoming waves. Strategic placement is key to victory. There are 4 primary tower types, each with distinct strengths. Barracks towers deploy soldiers to block enemies, buying time for other defenses. Archer towers offer consistent physical damage from a distance. Mage towers excel at magical attacks, crucial against heavily armored units. Finally, artillery towers deliver powerful area of effect blasts, perfect for clearing large groups of weaker enemies. Understanding their roles is vital for effective defense. Your heroes are incredibly powerful units that level up, gaining new and devastating abilities. Make sure to activate their skills at opportune moments, like stunning a boss or clearing a cluster of foes. Beyond heroes, you also have access to 2 global spells: Reinforcements, which summon temporary soldiers, and Rain of Fire, a powerful area of effect attack. These can be game changers in tight situations, so use them wisely. To truly master the game, pay close attention to enemy weaknesses and strengths. Some foes are vulnerable to magic, others to physical damage. Replaying levels on harder difficulties or with different strategies helps you earn more stars, which unlock permanent upgrades for your towers and spells. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tower placements and hero combinations to discover the most effective ways to defend your kingdom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.